Are you elite or are you a freak?
Definitely a freak.
She a freak in the sheets.
So this is Kiss and Tell with Hobby Mac. I'm here with.
Rachael Cavalli.
Yes. Okay. So what are you most looking forward to this XMAs?
I just like seeing everybody dressed up in these hot outfits. It's fun.
It is fun, right? How'd you come up with this outfit? This is sensational.
Thank you. It's vintage. I got it here in LA.
Nice. That's good. And what are you nominated for today?
Let's see. And then I have 3 movies that are up for nomination as well.
It's so fun being in so many movies, right?
Yes. I love my job.
You know what? I'm always surprised. The people are still printing out DVDs. Is it just collectors or people watching the DVD?
I don't know. My DVD player doesn't work for sure.
Yeah, what the hell? This is
Maybe
great.
they're just collecting them.
Okay, so speaking of the old technology to the new technology, how do you feel about AI?
It's a little weird, just stepping into it.
Oh, you're in it. How is it?
A little.
A little. Okay.
Yeah, just dabbing.
Dabbing. Okay, this is what I gotta ask you because I have a song called Elite. So I have to ask you, are you elite or are you a freak?
I'm definitely a freak.
Correct answer. That's good.
I like that.
I like it. Thank y'all so much. This is Kiss and Tell with Hobby Mac. See you soon.
Hobby!